Write a 1 and a 3.
Write a 1 and a 3.
2 semicircular ears. 2 ellipses. Draw eyes.
2 semicircular ears. 2 ellipses. Draw eyes.
Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a leg.
Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a leg.
Draw a tail with a semicircle. Write another one to draw bamboo. Apply color. The giant panda is finished.
Draw a tail with a semicircle. Write another one to draw bamboo. Apply color. Giant panda. Have you learned it?
Write an X.
Write an X.
Write a 1.
Write a 1.
Add 12 V's.
Add 12 V's.
Add 6 dots. Give a compliment to the beautiful Shui Huadian.
Add 6 dots. Very simple snowflakes.
Write an R.
Write an R.
Connect, color, hair and facial details.
Connect, color, hair and facial details.
Draw feet, water ripples, small hands, and light rain, rainy day boys finish.
Draw feet, water ripples, and light rain, rainy days girls finish.
Four twos.
Draw 4 twos.
Draw a straight line.
Draw a straight line.
Draw a C on top of 2.
Draw a C on top of 2.
2 lines.
2 lines.
Bean-like eyes and pecs.
Bean-like eyes and pecs.
2 W.
2 W.
2 V.
2 V. The 2 birds on the branch are finished. You can try it.